Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Reina, Meghna, and Sana. Sana, please switch on the video. So let's start by summarizing chapter 3. Okay? Did you go through that notes? Any specific doubts? Reina? Sana? Okay. So I'll quickly revise. Is that okay, Meghna? Yeah, fine. So first we learn about what is public nutrition as well as who is called as a public nutritionist, right? So what is public nutrition? If we are preventing the nutrition related or nutrition related problems or health problems by preventing the illness or by preventing their condition, that is called as public health and nutrition, right? So they protect and promote the health of whole population. In clinical nutrition, they just focus a single patient or a single client there. But here in public health and nutrition, we focus the whole population. We cover all the society. Okay. So we prevent the illness by giving good food and good nutrition. Sana, Reina. Then there are two types of nutrition. That is undernutrition as well as overnutrition. Sana, please switch on your video. Under as well as overnutrition. What is undernutrition? Reina, can you try? Undernutrition.
When nutrition is low.
When nutrition is low. Or we can say there is low amount of nutrients in the food, right? Or in the diet. Yes, Anna, what is overnutrition?
Like more than the normal.
Sana, I can't hear.
Ma'am, more than the normal.
Yeah, the excess amount of nutrients that present in food, then we call it as overnutrition. That leads to different problems like obesity, different diseases like heart attack, like that. Yeah, that is a part of overnutrition. Then we learned about different nutrients, right? We have different types of nutrients, water soluble nutrients, then fat soluble nutrients, right? What are the fat soluble? Meghna, can you try? Fat soluble.
Vitamin B complex and C.
Is it vitamin B and C? Huh? A, D, E and K, that is fat soluble. They are soluble in fat. I'll give a clue. For an example, if you cook gooseberry or if you cook lemon, all the nutrients that present in that particular food will lose. That is why we call this vitamin C as well as B as a water soluble nutrients. Clear? So if we cook these vitamin C rich foods as well as vitamin B rich food, all the nutrients will lose. Clear, Meghna? Okay. So we have fat soluble as well as water soluble. Then we have minerals. How we classify this minerals? Trace elements as well as major elements. What is major elements? The elements that we need in a more amount or in a larger amount. Which are they? Any idea? Reina, can you try? Major minerals or major elements.
Sodium,
Sodium. Then?
phosphorus, magnesium,
So what about trace elements? Yeah, try. Both starting with the letter I. I'll give you the clue.
iodine,
Iodine and iron. That's right. Iodine and iron. That is a trace element. Comes under the mineral part. Then we learnt about significance. Why we are learning this subject or what is the importance of public health and nutrition, right? What is the importance of why we learn this subject? Because we have the incidence of low birth weight. It is very common. Yeah. Then mild undernutrition as well as moderate undernutrition. Yeah. Then we have the micronutrient deficiency, all these are the serious problems in India. That is why we give this much of importance for this subject, public health and nutrition. If somebody that is very much expert in this field or who is very expert to provide the nutrition related knowledge to the society, we can call the person as a public health nutritionist as well as a community nutritionist. Is that clear? Yeah? Is that clear, Rina? Yeah. So can you try, what are the significance, Sana?
Low birth weight,
Okay.
malnutrition,
Don't look.
moderate undernutrition,
Sana, I can't hear.
moderate undernutrition,
Okay, moderate as well as mild undernutrition or malnutrition. Then,
overnutrition,
overnutrition is also a factor. The sedentary lifestyle, unhealthy food intake, this fast food, junk foods, no exercise, all these leads to this problem, the overnutrition. Then, anything else? So you can also include this sedentary lifestyle, as well as this overnutrition under the significance or the importance of public health nutrition. I hope that is clear. Meghna? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Then we discussed about different problems in India, nutrition related problems in India. So we have basically two types of deficiencies or two problems. One is related with macronutrients and other is related with micronutrients. So what is macronutrients? The nutrients that we need in a large amount like carbohydrate, proteins, fat, water, all these are the macronutrients. So the deficiency of these nutrients that leads to macronutrient deficiency. So can you give any one example for this macronutrient deficiency? Anyone?
Protein, energy, malnutrition.
Protein, energy, malnutrition, PEM or malfunction. Okay. Then we have two types in protein, energy, malnutrition, that is marasmus and kwashiorkor. Marasmus and kwashiorkor. These are the two types of protein, energy, malnutrition. One is due to the deficiency of energy and other is due to the deficiency of both energy as well as protein. So which is this deficiency of both protein and energy that leads to a condition called as? Reena, can you try? Both energy as well as protein. Choose anyone. Let it be wrong. Marasmus or kwashiorkor.
kwashiorkor,
It's marasmus. Okay. Is that right, Meghna?
Yes, ma'am.
Marasmus. Just think this marasmus as a tree. Tree has a lot of branches, right? So two branches. One is protein and other is due to energy, marasmus. Clear? It's a clue or a trick. Then kwashiorkor, that is due to the deficiency of energy. Is that clear? So that is all about macronutrient deficiency, and there is no particular onset for this macronutrient deficiency. It can be started in any age, but most commonly seen in children from the low economic groups. Yeah, so let's discuss the micronutrient deficiency. Micronutrient deficiency means the deficiency of vitamins as well as minerals. Deficiency of vitamin A, deficiency of iron, deficiency of sodium, iodine, B complex, D, all these comes under the micronutrient deficiency. Clear? So the most common type of deficiency, that is vitamin A deficiency, iron deficiency and iodine deficiency. Which are they, Sana?
and
Iron deficiency, then
iodine,
iodine deficiency, one more related with your eye, vitamin A deficiency. So this vitamin A deficiency, iron deficiency and iodine deficiency are the three common type of deficiencies in India. Clear? So let's discuss one by one. The first is vitamin A deficiency. Why we call this disease as vitamin A deficiency? Due to the inadequate amount of vitamin A in our diet. If Sana's diet is not adequate with the vitamin A, that will lead to a condition called as vitamin A deficiency. Simple, right? So this main function of vitamin A, that is for your vision as well as for growth and for immunity. Vitamin A, why we need this vitamin A? For your vision, for your growth as well as for immunity. So any problems or any impairment in this vitamin A that affect your growth as well as your development and your health, because the immunity is affected due to vitamin A deficiency. So which are the functions of vitamin A? We need vitamin A for growth, immunity as well as for vision. Okay. So the main problem of this vitamin A deficiency, that is Meghna, can you try?
Night blindness.
Night blindness. Very good. And if you are not ready to treat that condition at the early stage, that will lead to complete blindness of a person. Clear? Then symptoms. How you identify you have this vitamin A deficiency? If you have the problems like dry skin, dry eyes, a throat infection or frequent infections, it may due to this vitamin A deficiency. So these are the symptoms. And then we learned about foods or the sources of food that is rich in vitamin A deficiency. Which are the foods that are rich in vitamin A? The green as well as yellow, orange fruits like orange, mango, papaya. Yeah? Nena, are you here listening?
Yes.
Okay. So that is vitamin A. Any doubts? After this, you are going to summarize. Okay? So next is iron deficiency. Iron deficiency leads to, Meghna, your favorite question? Iron deficiency
Anemia.
leads to anemia. Very good. Anemia. So your HB level is affected. It leads to a low HB level or hemoglobin level. So due to this mineral iron, the lack of mineral iron, that affects our HB. Yeah? Why are you smiling, Meghna? You learned that term, right? Anemia. Yeah. Fine. Good. So that is all about iron deficiency. If your body or if your diet that lacks this iron in diet, that leads to iron deficiency. That is, what is the short form of iron deficiency anemia? IDA. Okay. IDA. VAD, that is vitamin A deficiency. So in this iron deficiency, this hemoglobin, what is the function of hemoglobin? Reina or Meg? Sana, you can try. Function of hemoglobin.
It gives red.
Enough oxygen.
It transport oxygen, very good. And it also provide a red color. Right, Reina? Yeah, yes. What happened, Reina? Any problem? Any health issue? No? You look so tired. No. Did you had breakfast?
Yeah.
Is it yeah? Yeah, okay. So, the symptoms. What are the symptoms of iron deficiency? Due to this low blood level, we have this shortness of breath, right? Shortness of breath. Yeah. Then we have headache, hair loss, frequent headache, frequent infections. Then anything else? Sana? Due to iron deficiency? Brittle nails. Then depression, tiredness, fatigue. Yeah. All these are the symptoms of iron deficiency. So I will repeat. This hair loss, depression, frequent infection, then fatigue, tiredness. All these are the certain symptoms of iron deficiency in our case, in adults as well as in adolescents. So what about this in children? That will leads to, Reina, any idea? In children, it leads certain problems. Like difficulty in concentrating, their attention span, memory problems, all these are also connected with this iron deficiency anemia. Okay, this is a particular type of anemia. We have different types of iron deficiency diseases. Okay, so this is a very common type of deficiency, iron deficiency. That is iron deficiency anemia. Can you try any one food that is rich in iron? Sana, any one food that is rich in iron.
Spinach.
Spinach, good. Spinach leaves. Then, Reina, anyone?
Jaggery.
Very good. Meghna,
Gooseberry.
gooseberry. Yeah, right. Okay. So that's all about iron deficiency. Then we learned about iodine deficiency. IDD, iodine deficiency disorder. Iodine deficiency leads to Meghna?
Goiter.
Goiter. Very good. Due to the improper functioning of this thyroid gland, our thyroid gland is here, right? So due to this inadequate amount of iodine, it will leads to improper functioning of our thyroid gland. Then it adversely affect our thyroid hormone, and it leads to different problems like goiter. If it is in the case of pregnant mothers or in pregnancy, it leads to stillbirth as well as spontaneous abortion, congenital abnormalities. Yeah, these are the certain problems if you have iodine deficiency during the time of pregnancy. Okay, so congenital abnormalities means the abnormalities. Can you try anyone? Congenital
During
abnormality.
the time of
Fetal development inside the womb itself, like this cleft foot, spina bifida and all. What is spina bifida? This is out of your syllabus, okay. Spina bifida, which means the spinal cord of the baby failed to close and it leaves an opening there, look like as a sac. That is called as spina bifida. It is a condition already developed inside the womb. Clear? So that's all about iodine deficiency. Then where you get this iodine? From this iodized salt, from this dry fish and all, sometimes you get iodine. Then what about stillbirth? Sana, can you try? Stillbirth. Don't look. Just try. Stillbirth. I'm not going to punish you, right? Then why you look? Just try. Stillbirth. It's inside the womb. Something has happened inside the womb. The baby is already died inside the womb. It is generally after the 20th week of pregnancy. So after this 20th week of pregnancy, the baby died. We call that as a stillbirth. So during the time of labor, the baby is not alive. Clear? So these are the problems, nutrition related problems in India. One is macronutrient deficiency and other is micronutrient deficiency. Protein energy malfunction, that is macronutrient deficiency. Vitamin A deficiency, iodine deficiency and iron deficiency, that comes under micronutrient deficiency. Clear? Yeah. Then yes, it's another confusing part, right? Stunting, wasting and underweight. Why we use these terms, wasting, stunting and underweight? We need these anthropometric measurements like the height, weight, chest circumference, head circumference to identify whether the person having this protein energy malfunction, right? So we need to aware about these terms. What is stunting, what is wasting and what is underweight. Raina, can you summarize what are these three terms from the slide itself? Make it a sentence.
Wasting means low height for the low weight for the height.
Yeah.
Means the height is proper, but the weight is not proper. And stunting is low weight for the age.
No, stunting is low height for age.
Low,
Stunting.
low height for the age.
Okay.
Underweight, low weight for the age.
Age. When we calculate the BMI, the weight less than 18, that comes under the underweight, right? The value below 19, 18, 17 and all, that is underweight. because your weight is less when compared with your age. For example, for the 15-year, you need a certain kind of weight for that age. That is underweight. Standing. Stunted children, which means they have low height. Stunted children. Wasting means? What is wasting, Meghna?
Low weight for height.
Low weight for height. Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah, fine. Rest we will discuss in the next class. Before that, what is community? A random question. Sana, can you try? Community.
A specific group of people.
That right, a specific group of people. Where is the most important line? Or most important words there? Reina. Yes, try. Shoot.
The
Yeah, take your time.
community is a group of people who share specific characters among them.
Yeah. Good. Who share common characteristics. That is called as community. The people who share. You are students, right? Because you share certain characteristics or certain areas. That is community. Clear? Any doubts? Meghna, Reina, Sana? Learn within the class. Okay. After this chapter, there will be a text paper. Is that fine? Okay.
When
But I will tell you. Not a surprise test. Okay? I'll tell you. So, yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you.